Welcome back to the Autoland, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles ready to hit the road. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van, a practical and budget-friendly solution for anyone dreaming of van life without breaking the bank. The 2026 Dokker Camper van is all about simplicity and smart design. Built on the reliable Dokker platform, it offers a compact size that's easy to drive, but cleverly maximizes interior space for sleeping, cooking, and relaxing. Dacia has focused on essentials with a foldable bed system, a small kitchenette with a sink and gas stove, and plenty of storage compartments neatly tucked away. Powered by an efficient 1.5 liters diesel or a peppy new hybrid option, the Dokker Camper delivers excellent fuel economy, making it perfect for long road trips. Inside, the layout is straightforward and functional, with durable materials designed to handle the rough and tumble of everyday adventure. Tech-wise, Dacia keeps things user-friendly with an updated infotainment system, USB ports, and optional solar panels for those looking to stay off-grid a little longer. It's a no-frills, dependable setup, exactly what many minimalist travelers are looking for. Affordable, versatile, and ready to explore. The 2026 Dacia Dokker Camper van might just be the perfect companion for your next journey. Whether you're heading for a weekend getaway or a longer adventure, it's built to keep up with your spirit of freedom. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and until then, happy travels!